so today I brought you a new thing, which is the opening and assembling of the 3x3 Rubik's Cube stickerless and the original Rubik's company. As you have seen, I have not uploaded any of my Rubik's Cube videos yet, but I have made videos of my 5x5 or my mirror cube or 3x2 speed cube or my mini 3x3 cube or this, or well, I have one more shake sure 3x3 that cube. So this is the first video of my Rubik's Cube. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open it up without the symbols, because it started out as Rubik's Speed Cube, but still if you have Rubik's Speed Cube you can use that method too. Okay, so the things you're going to need is in Rubik's Cube obviously and a screwdriver. Okay, so as you can see, you will try it breaking down like this and nothing will be happening, or you will try it like this. I saw it. The method to do this is very special. So it is just the thing you need to do is it's a little tricky. Put a screwdriver like this and take the edge piece out. I'm going to show you right now. First of all, I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to show you one, because it's easier to show the second one. Is just you need to put it like this. As you can see, it's an original, so it has something round inside which does not allow it to break or open. So it's pretty hard to take it out, but still you can take it out anyways. So let's open it up. The first piece. The first time you will do it will be taking time, because if you're not done, you leave it, so it will take more than an hour. So I've looked it and I also put it on it, but still it's right. But if you want to lube it, the best way to lube is okay, what piece has got? Okay, and these are all these corner pieces I have. You know, the edge pieces this, and I'm gonna show you how to take it out. I'm gonna store it in a blue one right now. So all you need to do is put your screwdriver. I'm gonna just put it. Just do it like this, and just take off this edge piece. It's very hard. Okay, I'm gonna show you from the right one. Like this. So we have two edge pieces, and let me show you how to take it out of the mold. And in the next video, I'm gonna show you how to assemble it. Because many times you need, if you want to lube it and you don't have a lubricant and you want to lube it from oil or petroleum jelly, you need to just take out the first layer and then you can do it. Just twist the end pieces so that they come out, and for the rest of the layers it's pretty easy. Yeah, see, these are pretty easy to take out. Just you need to do it like this, and I've moved it so it's a little bit of oily here, you can see. And now you can have fun with these pieces, or you can dye them to other color, or you can make it thicker or any other thing. Then you have 4 pieces. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.